Hey guys, so before we start today's number talk, I think it's really important that we discuss why we do number talks. So number talks can be seen as a tool for developing efficient, flexible, and accurate computation strategies. So think of our friendly numbers or landmark numbers as tools to help you become more efficient. Now we consider 10 or numbers that end in 0 friendly because they're easy to work with. So now that we got a little background, I'm gonna go ahead and give us our first equation. So again, we're still working with friendly and landmark numbers. One of the add-ins is going to be 2 away from that landmark number. So this is going to be our first equation, okay? So this is a little bit of a review. If you've been following the number talks, 18 plus 2. Some of my friends, you might have even told your parents, well, I know 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 18 plus 2 would get me to the next friendly number, which would be 20. All right, so again, this is a tool to help us become more efficient and hopefully a little bit more accurate once we start to recognize these patterns. In this instance, we're gonna use 3 add-ins in our equation. So here's our equation. All right, so we're thinking to ourselves, what would be the most efficient means to get to our sum? What number should we put together first? So we recognize 8 plus 2 again, that's going to get us to our friendly number. So 18 plus 2 equals 20. And then with this number, we can either decompose it into its numbers of 10 and 3, or I think that might be the most efficient way. Let's go ahead and do that. 20 plus 10 equals 30, and then 30 plus 3 more equals 33. Whether we're using 2 add-ins or 3 add-ins, we always want to look to see if there's a way if we can make that friendly number. Our next equation is 18 plus 15. So in this instance, I might recognize, well, I remember 5 plus 5 equals 10, but again, this one's closest to a friendly number, so that's the one that we're going to focus on. So when I decompose 15, although I know 15 is composed of 1 rod and 5 units, or 1 10 and 5 ones, I want to use it to help me get to a friendly number here. So I know 18 plus 2 equals 20. We can figure this side out first. So 18 plus 2 equals 20. To figure out our other number, now when we took 2 away from 15, that means that there's something missing here. It's our mom number in this case. So I'm gonna grab 15 and I'm going to subtract 2. So I have 15, 14, 13. So I know 2 plus 13 equals 15. So we can go a step further and decompose this. I could do 20 plus 10 equals 30, and 30 plus 3 equals 33. Another way to think about it, we could have also done 20 in our head. 20 plus 13 equals 33. And for our last equation, it's going to be double digits as well. 18 plus 23. So again, knowing that this is closest to the friendly number. 3 is close, but I know I need 2 more to get to 20, and I would need 3 less to get to 20 with this add-in. So again, we're taking that 2 away from here to make 20. Now what's left over, we can do 23 minus 2. So grab 23, 22, 21. And since we've used these, sometimes it's helpful to cross those out. I know that this is can also be decomposed into a 20 and a 1. So 20 plus 20 equals 40, and then 40 plus 1 more equals 41.